Welcome everybody, it's another video from your boy Crypto Weapon, and this is a showcase of the platform Cloudfi. Some might say the notorious Cloudfi, but nothing is unexpected in the DeFi. Now guys, this was another investment platform that paid consistently every day, 1.25 on a daily basis, but as of Monday, has not paid. Right guys, so it must be said this platform obviously built up a good following. It had lots of people investing. Big leaders had taken the leap into the platform and had been performing at a consistent and had no issues with regards to payouts. Now, a platform like this, which has built up its reputation over time, unfortunately hit a snag no longer than 3 days ago. The initial hiccups came when it announced that it was going to change its payouts from daily, so you would get a batch number on a daily basis, and that was due to change, probably due to pressures or probably just succumbing to the DeFi space. Probably everything hinges on the devs, as I've said in the past, and this is probably a typical scenario where the devs have thought 5 months on, it's time to give up the ghost when it comes to Cloudfi. Now guys, this is nothing but an update to sort of say to everyone, do not deposit in this platform. This platform has obviously seen sums and sums of deposits into its account, and it's obviously grown, and I think the devs at this point have thought to themselves, it's time to stop withdrawals. Now this has obviously affected a lot of people. The Telegram group is totally redundant. The last message is on the 12th saying withdrawals will be weekly and to expect withdrawals on a weekly basis on Sunday, and from Sunday it takes up to 24 hours. Again, that has not materialized for everyone involved in this platform. I looked at this platform, I looked at it pretty late, but I looked at it up against Invisible, and I had a decision to make whether to go with Invisible or to go with Cloudfi. In the end, yesterday, I swayed to Invisible. It's a new platform, it's just got going. CEO is available, it's showing consistently so far. It's been in the space for 2 months now. And this one, just as I was about to look at it and take the plunge, I realized it's been in the game for 5 months. I'm not saying 5 months makes it good or bad. However, it changed its payouts. Now, that's always going to be an indication when it comes to the DeFi space, guys. It changed its payouts from everyday batch payouts to once every Sunday. And on that very first Sunday, it didn't pay out. So what it did in the end, it managed to leverage the whole week, insinuating that it was going to make a payout on Sunday, and they didn't. So deposits have been going in. And again, this platform is open for deposits. We're going to do a test and see if it will still take a deposit. And as you can see, we're in the platform. So if I just go to fund deposit, let's make them very happy and put a whopping 20,000 USDT. I'm sure they'll be happy to see that coming in. And there we are, and all we have to do is say I am not a robot. Let's click continue. It must be said, on the Telegram group there are people still depositing in Cloudfi. People need to join the Telegram group, which doesn't say anything to the contrary, which is bad, but do sign up to someone who's in the platform and get updates on YouTube to make sure you don't find yourself depositing when platforms have already done their marketing in the past, and they're benefiting from that marketing by catching individuals off guard who come into the platform and make deposits. And as you can see, wallet address available. All I need to do is copy this, take it across to my crypto wallet and make a withdrawal from there, and that'll hit this account, obviously, as this is available, still spitting out cryptocurrency addresses in which you can deposit. So there it is, guys. Cloudfi still doing what all these platforms tend to do once they're no longer paying and they've totally rugged, and that is allowing you to go into the platform and make withdrawals. So please do beware of this. Put your 2FAs on all your platforms. Stay safe. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is obviously a video courtesy of Crypto Weapon, and here we are where I try to showcase all the favorable projects in the DeFi space. If you like the content we produce, please care to like, subscribe, and check out all our previous videos. Right, and do check out Invisible, which is the platform that I chose over Cloudfi 2 days ago when I had to make that decision. There's a card that will be visible on the right hand side, which will allow you to sort of have a look at Invisible. Guys, so let's jump across to their Telegram group, which will reveal how crafty they are operating at this point. So if we join the channel, there's obviously a plethora of individuals who are subscribed in the channel, 3,167. If we open the channel, so as we can see, they have not put out anything since August 15th, and the last communication that they have made has been this message here, insinuating that their new announcement, they're very happy with that. Growth and security, 24 hours withdrawal every Sunday, which has not been the case. There's some people holding out for this payment, which I can assure you is not going to come. Now these guys, if I do believe, are the creators of another platform that was called Pegasus that lasted 8 months. And it's very rare that you get a platform creators who have had a platform out like Pegasus to last longer than the platform they had previously. So looking at this one, it lasted 5 months. Pegasus had a good reputation, lasted 8 months. So as soon as these devs came into the market, everyone thought, fantastic, these folks are from Pegasus. We can expect a long run. 5 months in, once the majority of you have made your money back, because you make your capital back after 4 months, once the majority of you have made your money back, they struggle to maintain. And remember, the big guys who've obviously gone in with big followings have got referrals that they're being paid out as well. The reputation was so good with Cloudfi, people probably estimated it an 8-month run, and they were duly shocked. Now, I can't help but say, guys, Crypto Weapon has dodged a bullet in this instance. We would have made a deposit. It's a very slow, consistent platform. Our returns were not going to be seen before 4 months at 1.25% a day. We've dodged a bullet, guys, and let's continue to dodge one by not depositing into this platform. And on that note, guys, 2FAs, stay safe. It's the DeFi space, your boy Crypto Weapon, and we will certainly see you in the next video.